Hi guys! Сегодня мы с вами разберем несколько текстов. Давайте, пошли, поехали. Okay, the first text is called A Cashless World. A Cashless World переводится как мир без наличных денег, да? Окей, давайте сначала сразу же посмотрим вопросы. Здесь у нас сколько вопросов? 5 вопросов, да, к этому тексту. Так, первый у нас. When did countries in Europe start using paper money? Where Marco Polo saw first paper money? What did people use before money to pay for goods? Find the synonym of the amount, and when and where was credit card invented? Okay. The first one is when did countries in Europe start using paper money? Okay. About paper money, start here. Before money, people bought and sold goods with animals. So before money, okay. But you can't carry animals around your neck or in a bag, so people need something small. About 3,000 years ago, the Chinese used seashells, and later they used metal coins. The Romans also bought and sold objects with metal coins. In the 13th century, the explorer Marco Polo traveled to China. He saw paper money for the first time. A century later, countries in Europe used paper money too. Okay, so the answer is, when did countries in Europe start using paper money? We can answer that, look, here Marco Polo saw paper money for the first time in the 13th century, да, получается, он видел денежные, вот такие бумажные деньги в 13 веке, and a century later, век спустя, страны в Европе тоже начали использовать такие деньги. Получается, ответ будет у нас какой? B, да? В 14 веке. В 14 веке, значит, европейские страны начали это делать, использовать бумажные деньги. Так, дальше, следующий вопрос. Where Marco Polo saw the first paper money. Значит, где он увидел первые деньги? Explorer traveled to China. He saw paper money for the first time. Значит, он увидел бумажные деньги в Китае, in China. Okay. Next. What did people use before money to pay for goods? Here I remember that I've read before money people bought and sold goods with animals. Да? Получается, они покупали и продавали, используя животных. То есть они платили животными, да? Okay, next. Find the synonym of the amount. Okay. Сразу скажу, amount переводится как количество. Количество чего-то. Давайте сначала переведем эти слова. Sum тоже переводится как количество. Money это у нас деньги. Paper бумага. Speed это скорость. Получается, синоним это пишется или читается по-другому, но смысл одинаковый. Тот же получается у нас правильный вариант sum. Окей. Следующий вопрос. When and where was credit card invented? Okay. Here, look. Then in the early 1950s, the USA introduced credit cards or plastic money. This form of payment still popular today. Значит, в 1950-е годы в США. Ответ у нас A. Окей, good. Так мы разобрали с вами первый текст. Давайте поехали, пройдемся дальше. Пройдем дальше. Следующий текст у нас 100% identical. Что такое identical? Identical это значит типа одинаковые. Да, очень-очень похожие. Так, быстро взглянем на вопросы. Find the synonym of the identical. Who do live together? Who do not spend their time together? Musicians and actors are. Who does not love going to gym? And what means day off? Okay. Find the synonym of the word identical. Okay, how I said earlier, identical translates as одинаковый или очень похожий, да? Так, давайте сначала переведем слова, варианты. The same тоже переводится как одинаковый, different, разный, private, личный, busy, занятой. Так, получается синоним у нас the same. Следующий вопрос. Who do live together? Кто же живет вместе? Давайте быстро прочитаем. The Mulgrew twins. Twins переводятся как близнецы. Mona and Helen Mulgrew are 73 years old. They love books and they write books together. They live in the same house and they like the same free time activities. They like gardening and at the weekend they go walking together. Получается, Морна и Хелен живут вместе. Если у нас такой вариант, есть ответ. Так, значит, пока у нас C. Давайте взглянем на другие персонажи. Так, Camille and Kennerly Kid are musicians and doctor actors. They both play the same musical instrument, the harp. They don't have much free time, but they do taekwondo. And they like swimming together, of course. The Bryan twins. Mike and Bob love playing tennis. They're professional players and they play tennis all over the world. In their free time, they watch films and play computer games. But they don't do everything together. On their day off, Bob likes going to the gym, but Mike doesn't. He likes meeting friends at the beach. Okay. So, who do live together? Кто же живет вместе? Это у нас Mona and Helen. The answer is B. Okay, next. Who do not spend their time together? Кто же не проводит свое время вместе? Значит, здесь у них не очень много свободного времени, но они проводят его вместе. Здесь то же самое, но здесь они разделяются. Боб ходит в спортзал, а Майк ходит на пляж. Получается Майк и Боб. Следующий вопрос. Musicians and actors are. Кто же у нас музыканты и актеры? Это Camille and Kennerly Kid are musicians and actors. Вот. Ответ C. Who does not love going to the gym? Кто же не любит ходить в спортзал? Bob likes going to the gym, but Mike doesn't. Получается, у нас Mike не любит. What means day off? Day off переводится как выходной, ребята. Значит, давайте найдем такой вариант. Free day from work, usual day at work, free day from household, Friday in the USA. Now, it is free day from work, когда люди отдыхают. Good. Мы с вами разобрали второй текст, давайте перейдем к третьему. Третий текст у нас Top 5 Food Markets. Okay. Okay, what about the questions? 12 says market in the Caribbean is famous for. Which of these markets is the oldest one? Market with live music. It's open from Thursday to Saturday and it's good to go very early. Okay. Так, market in the Caribbean is famous for. Так, давайте найдем market from Caribbean. Here I can see the word Caribbean. Naturally, this island in the Caribbean has a market famous for fish and fruit. Okay. Fish and fruit. Значит, этот market известен своими фруктами и рыбой. Here we have the variant, the option C. So it is the right answer. Next is, which of these markets is the oldest one? Какой из этих магазинов, маркетов самый started. Okay, here I can see that it is 200 years old. Okay, here no information about the age of the market. Old. Also great restaurant upstairs. Go at around 6 a.m. and have some tasty noodles for breakfast. 6 часов нужно, оказывается, сюда ходить. There aren't many markets in the world with live music. But in Palermo, musicians play and sing as shoppers buy their sausage and kebabs. This market is 250 years old and famous with food lovers. Ooh! It's open from Thursday to Saturday and it's good to go very early. There isn't much food for sale after 10 a.m. Okay. Okay, значит, which of the markets is the oldest one? Здесь у нас 200 лет, а здесь 250. Какой из них старше? Получается ответ Borough Market, London, England, yeah? Do we have here the option A? Okay, next question is market with live music. Как мы уже прочитали, here in La Vucciria, Palermo, Italy, the market with live music. Do we have such variant? Yes, we do. Here, Italy, in Italy. Great, yeah? Can you imagine a market with live music? That will be very, very interesting, I think. Okay, next is it's open from Thursday to Saturday and it's good to go very early. Okay, it's open from Thursday to Saturday and it's good to go very early. It's a Borough Market, London, England. Here. Great. We've done with third text, so we go to the fourth. A face on money. When was Queen Elizabeth II or second born? Yeah. Okay. For example, Queen Elizabeth II's face is on money all over the world. There are coins and notes with her face in over 30 countries. In 1936, Princess Elizabeth was 10 years old. Okay, it turns that in 1936 she was 10 years old. It means that she was born in 1926. Yes, we have such kind of option, so the answer will be B. Okay, we skipped one question. What does formal mean? Formal это формально, official, usual, middle-aged, happy. Of course, it's official. Okay, next. When was her face on notes in Bermuda and Cyprus? Когда же было? Смотрите. In 10 years old and her parents were king and queen, her face was on this Canadian $20 note. In her mid-20s, her face was on notes in Bermuda and Cyprus. Значит, когда ей исполнилось 20, ее лицо уже было в Бермуде и в Cyprus. Получается, в 36 году ей было 10, а в 46 ей будет уже 20 было. It is B. There are coins and notes with your face in over how many countries? There are coins and notes with your face in over 30 countries. 30 countries, okay. 30 countries, ребята, представьте, можете? Here, the answer is B. Okay, and he was official. When she was 10 years old, her face was on Когда ей было 10, где можно было увидеть ее лицо, в каких купюрах. So it was 10 years old and her parents were king and queen. Her face was on this Canadian $20 note. Okay, Canadian $20 note. Do you have such kind of option? Yes, we do. It is C, Canadian $20 note. Okay, good, great. We've done with these texts, with all these texts. If you have any questions, you may write down or answer me directly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys.